Hello, my name's Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build powerful backlinks using my guest posting link building strategy. So I will show you how to create a DA88 guest post backlink, and your backlink will look exactly like this. As you can see, this is a guest post. If you can see here, the domain authority is 88. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the do follow backlink so you can see that this is going to be a do follow link. You get a write-up. It's a contextual backlink. And let's not waste any time. I'll show you how to do it. So what you will want to do is go to artstation.com, all one word. That's artstation.com. Now you will need a email address, but you cannot use a temporary email or a throwaway email. It needs to be a Yahoo or a Gmail. If you head up to the right-hand corner, go to sign up. You will need to sign up for an account, but there's a particular type of account that you need in order to get these guest posts and to be able to build these powerful links. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and fill this information out. So after you create your account, you'll need to go back to the home page. Go up here to the right-hand corner. You will see a head with a body. You'll want to click on that and go to Edit Profile. Now, once you go in and you go to edit your profile, you're going to need to verify with either Facebook or LinkedIn. So the very next step is you're going to need to abide by their agreement. So once the accounts have been set up and you have given verification, the very next step is to fill out this information. Now, you will want to fill out this information because these links are indexable. All right, so this type of information, just make sure you fill all this out, and let's do that now. So after you fill out everything, go ahead and click continue. Now, this is the most important part, and this is the most crucial part. In order to get your own page, your own site, your own guest post, you need to click on I am an artist. So go ahead and click on I am an artist. All right. Now, this professional summary, you could put a link inside of here. However, that link will be no follow. Now, I've already went ahead and took the liberty to write up something. So let's go ahead and just put that in there now. All right, then you will want to go ahead and fill out the rest. So you could go ahead and read through this, but let's just go to OK, I got it. We'll click continue. So let's just go ahead and fill this out. I'll show you how you can create this guest post. And I hope that you can really take advantage of this. So let's get an image, right? So you can fill out a caption. Now, again, this particular caption, it will actually be a no follow, so it doesn't really matter. So you will want to add a title. Now, remember, this is a indexable link. Make sure that the title is something that you want to be broadcasted. All right, so the title is important. This section here is where all the magic happens. So let's just go ahead and do this. This is where your guest post is going to be, and this is where you will acquire your very high power, and this is where you'll build your high power backlink. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some information here quick. This is where you will place the backlink. And stick with me here. I'll show you at the very end exactly what it's going to look like, and I'll show you that it's do follow. So let's just go ahead and put this up top. And then down the bottom, since we're already here, a digital reference, aka a citation, was placed at the very bottom. So this here we can go ahead and go medium, which is going to be a digital to G. Subject matter, this is where you could get creative. You could put whatever you would like in here. It's really irrelevant. All right, so this is where everything comes together. So you've uploaded your photo, you have put in your caption. Now again, that particular space here where it says caption, this will be a no follow link. Now this is the most important piece for your guest post, when you're building this backlink. You need to put a title relevant to your business. After everything is all done, the very next step to do, you want to go ahead and save this, and then we will want to publish. So save and then publish. This is the link to this particular piece, but I'm going to show you where the guest post lies. So stick with me here. So after you've filled out this caption space, You can upload it to your social profile, but just go ahead and publish it. All right, so after you have published, which is just your profile page, and if you see this link right here, this particular link will take you to your own site, your own sub-site, basically. And this is where the guest post is hosted. So when you reach this page, all you'll have to do is you'll see all, just go ahead and click on this, on your post. And as you can see, you have your name up at the top, artstation.com, you have your products, and then you have your link to your guest post. So this is the guest post that we have just made together. As you can see, let's just go up here to the Moz bar. We have created a domain authority. We have created and built a DA ADA backlink together. This is a link building strategy. This is a guest post, in my opinion. As you can see here, it's keyword rich, it has numerous links, and let's look and see if they are do follow. As you can see, there are do follows on the DA88. You might want to choose a better picture than I did, but if you have any questions about digital marketing, SEO, link building strategies, or backlink building or creating, or anything at all, please feel free to send me a message, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO video. Have a wonderful day.